Yeah, I'll never wait. I look on my life, I look on my dreams, I won't hesitate. Since I was 13, I always believed, cause I never wait.
What's good, y'all? Rascal here, and welcome to another Motovlog. Now, today, I'm learning how to wheelie. So, I did a few, actually, earlier today, but I forgot my SD card at home, so I had to go back and get it. But, I'm here, and we're just gonna be practicing wheelies today, mainly. That's the main goal for today, at least. That's just all I'm gonna be doing. And let's go for this first one. Oh, you saw that? Here's a little bounce, there's a little bounce. Oh my god, what I feel like that lady is gonna be mean. Oh, that was terrible, that was terrible. Why did that not go up? Alright, that went up a little bit. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see these bounces. I'm hitting it a little bit. I'm hitting it a little bit. Whew. Oh, that was it. Oh, that was it. All right. All it takes is a little bit of confidence. Oh my god, there's a cop. Is he coming this way? I think he's still stuck at the light. Okay, maybe it is time to go.
Every day I pray to God that I make it through. I feel like I killed this beat already. I just got deja vu. I'm still in college, trying to get poppin'. I don't have another option. It's like I'm in Gotham, asking Batman, would he ever start robbing?
I just placed my Chick-fil-A order in way too early. So now I gotta rush, get my new boots on. I guess this is a good time to test out these boots. But I gotta rush over and get there. Alright, I got everything, we're good to go. I placed the order, but I didn't think it would go through yet. I thought it would ask me one more verification step or something, but nope. No, it did not. Maybe I should have gotten in my car, but I really just wanted to ride and try these new boots out. Let's leave that in the front seat. That way next time I know I have to cover my bike up. Alright guys, we're off base. Alright guys. Are great. They're so lightweight. You can feel the wind going through them. They're not going to be good at night or in the cold, but they're great right now. Woo! Look at them. Fam, I know I say this a lot, but I'm trying out a new mic setting again today, and hopefully y'all can hear me, and hopefully y'all can hear me pretty clearly and fine with not a lot of popping and crackling. Guys, I ended up getting a comment on one of my TikToks, and it was actually a pretty good question. Do you guys name your bikes? Like, does your bike have a name? And what gender is your bike? I know I call mine her and she a lot, so mine's definitely a female, but I don't know a name. What's a good name, guys? Give me some ideas. I have zero clue of what to name my bike. I can't even think of anything. Sorry I didn't upload last week. Hell, those first clips were actually from last week. I didn't really have a lot of good things to upload, and I didn't want to upload a super short video. And then whenever I got all my gear, it didn't fit right, so I didn't want to go out and ride, and it was kind of like, I guess, down-putting. So I didn't want to ride when I wasn't feeling it, and record when I wasn't feeling it. So I waited until now when I'm hyped to go, and I've wanted to ride my bike. That dude's going the wrong way on his bike. I wish the weather could just be like this all the time. This is perfect riding weather right now. Not too hot, not too cold, just great. We made it, y'all. We made it. Hey, thank you.
My pleasure.
Can I get another bag, like a plastic bag?
Sure.
Alright, cool, thank you. I try my best to speed by any big truck just because this one time I had a really bad experience and I had it recorded too, but I deleted it because the audio was really, really bad. But I slowly went, well, so, story time. I was taking an exit and I had just passed up this 18-wheeler in order to get to my exit. And then the 18-wheeler comes flying by right next to me when I'm in the exiting lane, and the wind from him and I guess me slowing down and turning to the right to exit pushed me over, and I almost fell over on my bike. I even put my foot out thinking I was about to fall. Didn't end up touching the ground at all, not even with my foot, but I was scared a lot. I thought I was gonna die. Well, not die, but I thought I was gonna fall and get injured pretty bad. But my bike! My poor bike! Alright guys, so I'm pretty sure this video is not gonna be like 10 minutes long, but I want to say around 5 minutes, so let's hope it is. That way I can get this video out sometime in the middle of this week, and then hopefully get another video out in the weekend for you guys. I should be getting my gear, so I'll probably throw that into the next video. Also, if you like the video, make sure y'all leave a like and a sub, and even comment down below. You know, interact with me, answer my question. What should I name my bike? And if y'all want, check me out on my TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, all that schmazz. You know, that'd be pretty cool, that'd be pretty dope. I'll be talking to some of y'all over there, and it's awesome. Just hit 10K on TikTok, so that's super dope. But guys, I'll see you on the next one. It's Rascal.